Hello everyone, welcome to Formula Study. In this video, I'll be discussing a CAT study plan for the non-working people. So let's begin. Now from Monday to Friday, you will have to study for 6 hours. This 6 hours of studying include 2.5 hours for quant, 2 hours for DILR and 1.5 hours for verbal. Now other stuff like building vocabulary, reading newspapers, you will have to do it apart from the 6 hours of studying. So maybe while you're free in college or like before going to sleep, you all can probably read some newspapers or refer Magoosh app or something for building a vocabulary. Now in this 2.5 hours of quant, you will have to solve 2 chapters. So 45 minutes you will solve 1 chapter, and before solving that chapter you will revise the formula for the same. So half an hour you will revise the formulas for 1 chapter, then 45 minutes you will solve that chapter. Then again another chapter, half an hour you will revise the formula for that chapter, and 45 minutes you will practice that chapter. So this is how the 2.5 hours for quant will be distributed. Now for 2 hours of DILR, 1 hour you all will be solving data interpretation and 1 hour you all will solve logical reasoning. Now the 1.5 hour for verbal, 1 hour will be for RCs, in which you all have to practice 3 RCs and analyze them really well. And apart from that, you all will have to practice other questions like parajumbles, critical reasoning, summary questions for another half an hour. Now on Saturday, you all will have to study 8 hours, since you all generally tend to get an off from college. So in this 8 hours, you all will have to study 3 hours of quant, 3 hours of DILR and 2 hours of verbal. Now again in quant, you all will have to solve 2 chapters. So 1 chapter you all revise the formulas for half an hour and practice the same for 1 hour. And the second chapter you will revise the formula for half an hour and practice the same for 1 hour. Now the 3 hours of DI and LR, you will practice 1.5 hour DI and 1.5 hour LR. And for the 2 hours of verbal, you all will solve RCs for 1.5 hour, which will generally be around 4 RCs. And the remaining half an hour, you all can do other questions like parajumbles, summary questions, critical reasoning questions, etc. Now more emphasis is being given to RCs because according to the past trends, reading comprehension tends to form a major chunk of questions in the verbal section. Now when it comes to Sunday, you all will have to give a mock. Now at this point of time, I won't recommend you all to give more than 1 mock a week. Probably when you're 1 month prior to the actual CAT, you all can give 2 or maybe 3 mocks a week. But at this point of time, just give 1 mock a week. And apart from giving a mock, you all will even have to study for 4 hours. Now this 4 hours is distributed as follows: 1.5 hour quant, 1.5 hour DILR and 1 hour for verbal. Now for the 1.5 hour for quant, for 1 hour you will be practicing 1 chapter, and for half an hour you will be revising the formulas for the chapter prior to practicing it. Now for 1.5 hour of DILR, 45 minutes is for DI and 45 minutes is for LR. And for 1 hour of verbal, 45 minutes will be for RCs and 15 minutes is for other miscellaneous questions. Now for the next week, you all will have to reserve either a Monday or a Tuesday for analyzing the mock that you gave on Sunday, depending on when the solutions are out. And for the remaining weekdays, you all can follow the same 6-hour schedule. And the schedule for Saturday and Sunday remains the same. On Saturday, you will study for 8 hours and on Sunday, you will give a mock and study for 4 hours as well. So this is the actual study schedule, and apart from this, you all will have to find some time, as I said, while you're free in college or before going to sleep, to build your vocabulary, to build a bit of grammar skills and to read newspapers as well, because this is important for the verbal section. So this was the study schedule. I know it was a bit hectic, but trust me people, when you all will achieve that 99+ percentile and get into your dream B school, it will all seem worth it. Well, for the working people, I've made another video, the link of which you can find in the description box. So that's it people, I will come up with more interesting videos. Till then, do like my video and subscribe to my channel, and also post your valuable feedback so that I can improve at my upcoming videos. Thank you.